L-carnitine is one of those underrated compounds that does far more than people realize. It's not flashy, but it's foundational. This amino acid-like nutrient helps shuttle fat into the mitochondria, where it can actually be burned for energy. Without enough carnitine, fat stays stored instead of used. That's why I call it the fat transport finisher. But that's not all. L-carnitine also supports recovery, reduces soreness, and may improve blood flow to your muscles during workouts. It's particularly powerful when you're lifting or training fasted. I use it 3 to 5 times per week, usually before workouts or in the morning. It stacks beautifully with mitochondrial peptides like MOTS-c and makes GLP-1 protocols more efficient, especially if fat loss is still a goal. Some women report more focus, others notice faster recovery and better body composition over time. If you want your body to burn cleaner, recover faster, and move with more ease, this is a small compound that makes a big difference.